campus was such a massive selling point to me. Also, it's near water. I like places near water as well. I like the docks, and it's quite a nice city as well.
It's got everything you could really want.
Yeah, it's got everything you need, and the campus is beautiful. It's nice and compact. It's not like a half an hour walk to get from one place to the other. It's just a lovely place to come and study.
Yeah, it's an amazing university. Whatever subject you choose to do, it's kind of top in so many fields. And again, the extracurriculars, there's hundreds of societies and clubs on offer, and if you can kind of balance your studying with getting involved with a society, being on committee, it definitely enhances your experience at university.
Also, its location, I think, Bournemouth is just down the road, Portsmouth and Brighton, like lovely places along the south coast.
I decided to come to study at Southampton because it has one of the best research facilities in the UK and in fact the world for the field that I want to study, which is physics with photonics. I'd have to say that the highlights of my time here are the lab work I've been able to do in my master's project, which was very, very enthralling. And it gave me the opportunity to later apply for research and go into my PhD. The teaching here is of a very, very high standard. I would say that it's the best that I've received in my life, and you really get the sense that the teachers know their stuff and are researching in their field, because they are the cutting edge in photonics.
I decided to go to Southampton because I came and had a look around before I came, and the department seemed really friendly, and also the research rating for Southampton is really good. When I came, certainly it was a 5-star research rating, which is fantastic. Definitely my biggest highlight was my 4th year, which I spent on a research placement in Geneva, working at CERN, and I worked under a physicist from the Rutherford Appleton Laboratory, which was great. Under my PhD, I'll be going back out to CERN for a year and a half, so they'll send me back out there and I'll get to do more of what I was doing when I was there, and it should be fantastic.
I played hockey, I was in a JCR, I've been in the Sign Language Society, which I was teaching in. I don't know, I've been in more. I was in loads of societies. It was a great way to meet people, especially hockey, even though I cannot play hockey at all. I was in the beginners team, and they didn't care that I couldn't play hockey. And it's just really fun, really great way to meet people. I've got a graduate scheme, which is kind of like engineering-y, but also commercial, so it's really it's like my dream job, because I wanted to work with people, but I did also want to use my physics still. My graduate scheme is 2 years long, and I do different placements within it in different kind of smaller companies that they own. I hope to be very successful and live abroad, work abroad at some point, which hopefully with this company I'll be able to. It's my dream job, so I'm stoked to be graduating and starting with it, really.